Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with Brandon's Garage, and today I'm going to be switching out the PCV valve as well as the hose that connects to the PCV to the actual manifold. This is going to be on my 2012 Nissan Altima. This video should be compatible as far as instructions from 2008 all the way up to 2012, which is the model that I have. Basically right now I have a P0101 code. My mass airflow sensor is a new factory airflow sensor, so I don't believe that's the problem. I've already replaced that, and I'm not really noticing any other performance issues with the vehicle. It's just a service engine light. I'm guessing that this is the problem, this is the culprit, and I'm hoping that this ends up solving it. But along the way you'll be able to see me doing this replacement. This tubing should fit right over this PCV valve, just like that. There's going to be links in the description below for any tools that you see me using, and also for these parts, so make sure to check that out in the description below. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like this video if it ends up helping you out. If you have any questions at all about what I did here, comment below. And if you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. Alright, let's get right into this repair. Alright, getting started here, you're gonna need some tools. And of course, if you don't already have those parts, there will be links for them in the description below. There will also be links for, everything pretty much that I used in this video. This 5-bit hex is what you're going to need to remove the engine cover. If you don't already own one of those, you're going to want to get that with an extension for your ratchet. So over time, this PCV valve can really end up getting damaged, and because of the usage, and also that tubing that goes from the air manifold to the engine, that can get really brittle. And if it ends up cracking, you can have a lot of air that ends up escaping, creating the code, because you are now not getting enough air pressure from that tubing because there is air that is escaping due to the cracks. So you saw there really quick, the old tubing that I had was so brittle to the point where it actually broke off. That might be the case for you. You see it there next to the new one. The new one's a little shorter, but it actually ended up fitting fine. And that older one you see is broken in half and it has cracks in it. As far as the valve itself, I ended up swapping it out anyways. I can't really tell if it's functioning or not. I'm not really sure. But I ended up putting that new one in just because I had the opportunity to do that. So this is me putting back the PCV valve, and then I'm going to connect the tubing back from the air manifold to the engine via the PCV valve. So this one I ended up getting was a little bit short, but it ends up fitting with just stretching it out just a little bit. And you really want this to be snugly fit, because it's very important that the air not escape this tubing. That's going to create a code. That's why I have a code in the first place, is that I haven't had the proper air pressure because of the lack of proper tubing. And so what you see here is also I'm missing some clamps. So I'm going to take off the old clamps from the original tubing, and I'm going to put them on this new tubing. That should take me a few seconds, but that's something you are going to want to do beforehand, so you don't have to do this twice. Take it on, take it off. And that should ensure that there are no leaks whatsoever. Alright, that's really all it takes. I hope that this video ended up helping you out. Remember, all the links in the description below. All the tools I used in this video, there will be a link for below, and also for the products that I ended up installing on my vehicle. If this video ended up helping you out, please make sure to like the video. And if you have any questions at all about anything I did here in the video, make sure to comment below. If you're just saying thank you, if whatever it is that you want to say, comment that below, and I'll do my best to reply to your comment. If you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. This is a new channel, and everyone that subscribes, it is greatly appreciated when you do, because it really does help me out to grow this channel eventually to be a larger channel. So that's all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.